Imagine if just $1,000 could have turned you into a millionaire. Well, history shows us that it wasn't only possible, it actually happened. Today, we'll look at 5 dirt cheap stocks that were once ignored, doubted, or even laughed at, but went on to create life-changing wealth. We'll break down the numbers, the prices, and exactly how much money early investors made. Let's dive in. 1. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon went public on May 15, 1997, at $18 per share. But after 3 stock splits, 2 for 1 in 1998, 3 for 1 in 1999, and another 2 for 1 in 1999, that IPO price equals just 7 cents per share today. Fast forward to now, Amazon trades above $3,000 per share. That's a mind-blowing 42,857 times increase. So let's do the math. $1,000 in 1997 equals 14,285 shares. Multiply that by today's price, and you get $43 million. Even a $100 investment, barely the cost of dinner back then, would be worth $4.3 million today. Amazon's market cap exploded from $438 million at IPO to more than $1.5 trillion today. From just an online bookstore to one of the world's biggest companies, and a life changer for early believers. And now a word from our sponsor, Surfshark VPN. Using a VPN, virtual private network, is essential for protecting your privacy and security online. It encrypts your internet connection, preventing hackers, advertisers, and even your internet service provider from tracking your activity or stealing your personal data. A VPN also gives you access to region-restricted content, helps bypass censorship, and keeps you safe on public Wi-Fi networks. Whether you're working remotely, streaming, or just browsing, a VPN ensures your digital footprint stays private and your sensitive information remains secure. And now with Surfshark, you can enjoy all these benefits for just $1.99 per month. Plus, get 3 extra months free for a limited time. Click the link below to get started. 2. Apple, AAPL. Go back to 1997. Apple was on the brink of collapse, trading under $1 per share, split adjusted. The company was literally 90 days from bankruptcy before Steve Jobs returned and secured a $150 million bailout from Microsoft. Today, Apple trades at around $220 per share. That's a 220 by return. A $1,000 investment in 1997 equals 1,000 shares, now worth over $220,000. But thanks to 5 stock splits, including the 7 for 1 split in 2014 and 4 for 1 in 2020, long-term holders saw their share count multiply. With reinvested dividends, many early Apple investors easily crossed into multimillionaire territory. Apple's market cap? From $2.3 billion in 1997 to over $3 trillion in 2025. That's a 1,304x increase, from nearly bankrupt to the world's most valuable company. 3. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix IPO'd on May 23, 2002 at $15 per share, or about $1.07 split adjusted. Today, the stock trades near $600 per share. That's a 561x return. A $1,000 investment in 2002 equals 93 shares, now worth roughly $55,800. Scale that to 10,000, and you'd be holding about $558,000 today. But here's where it gets crazy. If you had invested $1,000 every year since IPO and compounded, you'd now be sitting on millions. Back in 2002, Netflix made just $150 million in revenue, mostly from DVD rentals. In 2025, it generates $33 billion a year. That's a 220x revenue jump. The company Blockbuster laughed at turned into a global entertainment empire. 4. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla IPO'd on June 29, 2010 at $17 per share, or 1.13 split adjusted. Today, Tesla trades around $240 per share. That's a 212x return. A $1,000 investment in 2010 equals 88 shares, worth about $21,120 today. But investors who got in even earlier during Tesla's private rounds bought shares for under $1 each, turning a few thousand into millions. Tesla's revenue tells a story from just $117 million in 2010 to over $95 billion in 2025. That's an 812 times increase in 15 years. And its market cap from $1.7 billion at IPO to more than $750 billion today. Tesla went from being mocked as a money-losing startup to the world's most valuable car maker. 5. NVIDIA. NVIDIA went public on January 22, 1999, at $12 per share, or about 40 cents split adjusted. Today, NVIDIA trades around $850 per share. That's a 2,125x return. A $1,000 investment in 1999 equals 83 shares, worth about $70,550 today. But factor in splits and reinvestments, and those 83 shares could scale into thousands, pushing the value into hundreds of thousands, even millions. NVIDIA's revenue went from $160 million in 1999 to over $60 billion in 2025. That's a 375 times increase. Once just a gaming graphics chip company, NVIDIA is now the backbone of AI, cloud computing, and self-driving cars, creating a new wave of millionaires. Final lesson. So here's the bottom line. $1,000 in Amazon equals $43 million. $1,000 in Apple equals $220,000. $1,000 in Netflix equals $55,800. $1,000 in Tesla equals $21,120. $1,000 in NVIDIA equals $70,550. And with patience, splits, and reinvestments, those numbers easily snowball into multi-million-dollar fortunes. The common thread? When these companies look cheap, risky, and hopeless, that's when the biggest opportunities existed. The greatest wealth in stock market history has always gone to the early believers who held on through the chaos. The lesson here is clear. The world's most valuable companies were once dirt-cheap stocks that most people ignored. Amazon was just a bookstore. Apple was almost bankrupt. Netflix was dismissed as a DVD company. Tesla was a risky car startup, and Microsoft was a small software shop. Yet all of them rewarded those who had vision, patience, and courage with millionaire-making returns. These stories prove that the next millionaire maker is always out there. You just have to find it before everyone else does. So the next time you see a company that looks dirt cheap, beaten down, or too risky to touch, remember, Amazon was just a bookstore. Apple was 90 days from bankruptcy. Netflix was mailing DVDs. Tesla was a joke. NVIDIA was for gamers. And yet those dirt cheap bets minted millionaires.